In fact, software processes are normally characterized by several phases, what we call the software phases. And only one of these phases is mainly focused on coding. The other phases are meant to support other parts of software development. So the first of these phases is called requirements engineering, and that's the phase in which we talk to the customer, to the stakeholders, whoever we are building the software for, and we try to understand what kind of system we need to build. Then we use this information to define our design. And the design is the high-level structure that then can become more and more detailed of our software system. Once we have defined our design, we can actually move to the next phase, which is the implementation, in which we write code that implements the design we just defined. After implementing the code, we need to verify and validate the code. We need to make sure that the code behaves as intended. And finally, we need to maintain the code. And maintenance involves several activities, like, for example, adding new functionality or eliminating bugs from the code or responding to problems that were reported from the field after we release the software. We will look at all of these activities and at the software development process in detail in the rest of the class. And for each activity, we will look at its fundamental principles and how it is done currently. And in some cases, we will also look at some advanced ways to do it. For example, more researchy approaches for that activity.